In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background on text in Canva. We will walk through this together slowly, so you can follow along even if this is your first time using Canva. Go ahead and select your text. You can do this by clicking directly on the text box you want to change. When it is selected, you will see a thin outline around the text box and small handles on the corners. If you have several text boxes on your design, make sure only the one you want is highlighted. A quick tip here, if nothing happens when you try to style your text later, it usually means the text is not actually selected. Once your text is selected, click Effects in the top toolbar. You will find this option above your design, in the row with font, size, and other text controls. The word Effects will appear as a button, and when your text is selected, it becomes active and clickable. When you click it, a panel or side menu opens, showing different ways to style your text. If you do not see the panel, check again that your text is still selected, then click Effects one more time. From there, choose Background. In the Effects panel, you will see several style options like Shadow or Outline, but look specifically for the one labeled Background. Click on Background once. When you do, your text will immediately sit on top of a solid colored shape, usually a rectangle with slightly rounded edges. This change happens right away on your canvas, so you can confirm you clicked the right effect. If the style does not look active, click Background again until you see the colored box appear behind your text. Now customize the background by adjusting the color. In the background settings, you will see a small color tile or color picker. Click that tile to open the color options. You can select from your default document colors, brand colors if you have them set up, or choose a custom color. As soon as you click a different color, the box behind your text updates on the canvas with no extra saving needed. If your text becomes hard to read, pick a lighter color for dark text, or a darker color for light text. Next up, adjust the roundness of the background. Roundness controls how curved the corners of that background box are. Drag the roundness slider slowly and watch the corners change in real time. Moving it toward the low end keeps the shape more like a classic rectangle. Sliding it higher makes it look more like a pill shape, with very soft corners. Designers often use higher roundness for modern, friendly-looking labels, and lower roundness for a sharper style. After that, tweak the spread, which is the padding around the text. Spread decides how much empty space sits between your letters and the edges of the colored box. Increase the spread slider to give your text more breathing room and create a badge-style look. Decrease it for a tighter label where the box hugs the text closely. If your text wraps onto 2 or more lines, watch how the box grows evenly on all sides as you adjust spread, so everything stays balanced. With those set, adjust the transparency of the background. Transparency controls how solid or see-through that colored box appears over your design. Slide transparency down towards 0 to make the box more solid and bold. Slide it up to let more of your photo or background artwork show through behind the text. On busy photos, keeping the box slightly transparent can help the design feel lighter while still keeping the text readable. This creates a colored box that automatically fits your text, and now you know exactly how to control its color, shape, spacing, and opacity in Canva. If this helped you get cleaner text backgrounds, give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like tips like this, feel free to subscribe.